guys, all right, so I just did a review on the hipster yarn. That's what this is. I am not in frame. There we go. This is the yarn, the cotton yarn. I don't know. I will link this one below because I have all the labels, but I accidentally just kind of threw them in. Okay. Anyway, so I'm not a fan of this look. To me, it's not finished until I block it. That's just me. That's my preference. So in order to block a wash rag, I have these mats that have a grid on them. You do not have to use these. You can go to like Lowe's and get a foam board, Walmart, because a lot of daycares will use these for the kids to play on. Just FYI if you're wondering. But this we got on my husband actually got this on Amazon. It comes with, I think, 9 different squares. As you can see, they interlock together to make a bigger mat. So if you have like a blanket or something that you want to block, you can. Since I'm only doing the wash rag, I'm only going to be using one. Now, I will link below where we got ours. Again, you can go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, maybe Target might have them. And I actually think some warehouse stores actually might carry them. You can also find them online. So that being said, we have that. Another thing to use that I like to use, so there's T-pins or the kind with like the little colored tip. I am actually going blind in my right eye. I'm blind in my left eye, and I'm going blind in my right eye. Well, I think I am. I don't know 100%. I have to go see a specialist, but this is easier for me to see. So what you want to do is you want to lay this down, and I'm going to actually, this is the right side. Put the right side up, and you're going to take your pins and kind of, this is going to be hard for me to do. I'll fix it when I'm done. But you kind of want to take the pin, push it into the wash rag around the edge, kind of pull it to where you want it to be. I think I'm going to do the corners first and then go in. Actually, let me see. How do I? Now, I'm not really going to line it up with the grid. It's not a big deal. But anyway, what you want to do is you want to go around and pin it down. And now see how this is like curving? You want to put pins there because essentially what you're doing is you're stretching the fabric. When you're working the fibers, when you're working with yarn that you get right out of the store, it tends to like crimp, I guess is what you could call it. Anyway, I mean, it looks fine the way it is. It really does. However, like I said, this is just a me thing. It just bothers me. Same thing with like, if I'm crocheting and doing like a border, I have to, or if I'm crocheting and I don't put a border, like it drives me nuts. I don't think I'm going to keep it like this, but just for the purpose of the video, I'm trying to show you. So essentially what we're doing is we're stretching the fibers. Okay, this is pretty good. I don't think I have to put any on the side because it's pretty well down. So the next thing you want to do is get a water bottle. Again, this is at Walmart. I think they're like $1. Actually, no, I got this at Target, obviously, because there's that up and up thing. Put water in it. I have done a little bit of fabric softener. If you're concerned about people having allergies, maybe don't do that. I usually do not wash my stuff because, again, allergies. This is just regular tap water. So you're going to spray because this is going to relax everything. Now, this is cotton, so it's going to take time. Cotton takes longer to dry. but you want to let it air dry. I'm kind of like pushing it in because it's not going to go underneath and I don't want it soaking wet. So you kind of just want to, oh, that's actually really well. Spray it down. So you're going to spray it down and then you're just going to leave it and let it air dry. Like I said, sometimes I'll put fabric softener in here and it does make it smell like really nice. You don't have to. I don't like that there's like water on the side now, but I'll wipe that down. But yeah, so what you're going to do is just let this sit now. Very simple. Once it's dry, you take it off and fold it up and put it away in your closet. But I would definitely make sure you keep this up somewhere high away from children because you do not want them pulling the needles out. That would be very bad. So yeah, it'll probably take a couple days. Like I said, this is cotton. It'll take a little bit to get done, to get dried. But that's pretty much how you block something. It's very simple. I really only just started doing it within the last couple years. I don't know why I didn't do it sooner because it just makes everything look prettier. Once it is wet, if you want to like kind of move it around and arrange it a little better, you can do that. But yeah, this is blocking. If you have any questions, please do feel free to message me. You can like leave a comment or you can email me. But I will definitely make sure that I post the link to the yarn. I'll try and see if I can find a link to the needles I use, and I'll also make sure that I post a link to the mat that I'm using as well. So I hope you're all well and take care. Bye.